Just do a little live. Everyone's cooking, we're all hanging out, but just doing a little live for you guys so you guys can understand what's going on here. Check out the 4-hour time frame. Right. Just continue momentum. Where do you think we're gonna go?
Would you just go away?
Right, where do you think we're going, guys? Oops, forgot I had to unmute. Anyways, this was for my zone to zones earlier today. Had them all drawn up where price was gonna go from earlier. This was from this morning's wick fill, early morning wick fill. Now we've got continued momentum. We've got the new 4-hour candle that just opened up. So we're just going to keep following momentum. Price did close no wick, but in this situation, I don't see that as exhaustion. I see that as just continued momentum. So we're just going to keep pushing down to the low side. Right? What was price doing here?
I mean, I try and be nice, but
right? The higher high. Right? Lower low. Lower high. Right? Let's clone this.
Oh, yeah, that's what it was.
Another lower high. Right? Another lower low. So where can you anticipate the price is going, guys? Of course, we're going back down. Right? We're just going to continue following momentum. This is a low volume time. There's not so much movement right now. But just by following momentum, you can see price left off, right? We just want to go down, right? We just want to go down. The 4-hour time frame here, we're just going to keep following momentum, right, guys? It did close no wick. So usually when price closes no wick, gives me a little bit of hesitation where it's telling me, hey, this is probably exhaustion. But just by going ahead and looking at this, we can just follow momentum, price action. All right, I entered my sells here. So just right in time for the new 4-hour candle to open. I like waiting and trading off those 4-hour candles the most, to be honest with you guys. All right, so once price pulls down and puts me into the profit that I want, I will just adjust my stop loss and profits, and then I'll post my Instagram so you guys can see where my entries were. But this is just a ahead of time video that I'm posting for everyone, just so that you guys can kind of see what was going on in my mindset. Also, a currency strength meter, right? When we got the currency strength meter on, what is Jappy? It's so strong and the US dollar is so weak. What does that usually mean? It means that USD Jappy is going down, right? If the US dollar was much stronger than the yen, it'd be going up. So what are we doing? We're going down, guys. Just keep it simple, right? Just keep it simple. Let's see if it's still strong. Let's see if the dollar got a little bit. Nope, Jappy's still strong, guys. Just follow momentum. There we go. Pushing down the low side. It's a low volume time, so price is not going to move as crazy and as nice as, early this morning, right? It was early morning, 6 a.m. Pullback. This was a kangaroo tail. Pulled back up. All my boys in my chat caught this sale too. And as you can see, look at their scalps, the swings right here, right? Let's pull up the price range right here. Scalps the swings already 20. Look, we're scalped the swing from this morning. This is why the morning is so powerful, guys. Because look, it dropped 70 pips this morning. Then we made a retracement of like 20-something pips after we hit the next zone. Right, 30 pips, come right back down. As you guys can see, when prices have momentum, of course, we're gonna have lower highs, right, and lower lows until we reach the next zones. Now we're in the next zone, right? So if we were to pop up the 1-hour time frame this morning, just follow momentum, guys. Keep it really simple. Just be patient. Just be really patient and wait, right? Look what this morning left us off with, 6 a.m. Boom, now we got a wick to fill. We had a nice little pullback, then finished off bearish. So at least by 8 a.m., where are we going to go? Obviously, just keep following momentum, right? What we got? We're going to break this structure. So where are we going? Okay, we got a wick to fill. So by 9 a.m., look what we did. Just keep following momentum. But where's it going? Overall, you got to understand where price is going overall. The way you're going to understand that is by having your higher time frames, like especially the 4 hour. 4 hour is my favorite time frame. You're going to have the 4 hour time frame drawing up the zones. How are we going to draw up these zones? How are we going to draw up these zones? We're going to look left, right? So this morning when price is making its huge drop, we're just going to look left and we're going to say, okay, well, here's drawing up from where price is touched many times, right? You're going to look left. You're going to draw up your zones across the map. That's where we're going. If we're going to break this, then we're going to the next one. And what did it do at 10 a.m. from 10 to 2, right before Asian Open here? This was the Asian Open candle. What did price do? Went to the next zone. Where's the next zone at? Right here. So you just got to follow price action to understand where price is going to close at. So by this morning, we already had major confirm, right? Okay, we're going down. Well, 6 a.m., kind of a little hesitant. Okay, now by 6 a.m., now we got a wick fill. Now we had a little bit of a pullback for liquidity, right? Almost 10 pips liquidity. So you would have had the 15-minute time frame up at least to kind of check what price was doing. Then boom, by 7 a.m., what do we got? Real nice confirm. We're going down. We've already. This is the structure that we need to break. But you can see that price is already, I mean, it's pretty much a triple top on this resistance that you can see, right? Bounce off the resistance 3 times. Where's it going? It's not going up anymore. Have your currency meters up. Understand where Jappy's going, where the US dollar is going. And then you guys just got to follow momentum. It's just that easy, you guys. Like, keep it very simple when you're trading. That's it. Keep it very simple.